Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to start using the ChatGPT API. Right, so if you haven't used ChatGPT API before, here's how to get started. First, you have to open up platform.openai.com to be able to sign in into the OpenAI API platform, where you're going to be able to get a ChatGPT API key and stuff like that. So if you open up platform.openai.com, first you have to add your email address, and this is the email address you use ChatGPT with. If you haven't created a ChatGPT account yet, then click on sign up here, and then you're going to be able to create an OpenAI and ChatGPT account. Once you have created your account and signed in, you will arrive at this homepage of platform.openai.com, and here's where we have to create or get a ChatGPT and OpenAI API key. So all we have to do is click on our account name and select View API Keys. And if you have already created ChatGPT API keys, you're going to see a list of these API keys here. But as you can see, in this case, I do not have any, so I have to click on Create New Secret Key here. Then add the name to your secret key. Then click on Create Secret Key. And one very important thing you have to know is that make sure to copy this API key here, because once you click on Done, you're not going to be able to see the API key anymore. Of course, you can always create new API keys, but the best practice, make sure to save this API key into a safe place. So click on Copy here, then select Done. Then once you have created a ChatGPT API key, all we have to do is make sure we have set up an OpenAI billing account if we do not have a free trial for ChatGPT API. And you can check that by clicking on the usage button here. Here you're gonna see if you have ChatGPT free trial credits. And as you can see, in this case, I do not have it because this is just a test account which is connected to a phone number that has already claimed the free trial credits. So here you're gonna see if you have free trial credits. If you have one, then that's great, you can start using the API. If you do not have free trial credits anymore, here's what you can do. So you can create a new ChatGPT account and make sure to use a new phone number, because if you use the same phone number you use for this account where you don't have free trial credits anymore, you're not gonna get free trials. So this is the case for my account. As you can see, I do not get any free trial credits because I have already used them up for my phone number. So you have to create a new ChatGPT account and make sure to add another phone number that you haven't used for an OpenAI account before, and then you're gonna be able to get 5 USD free trial credits. Alright, if you are okay with paying for the API and you don't want to create a second API account, all you have to do is click on billing here and then set up an OpenAI paid account. I have a separate tutorial on this, so make sure to check that out, and then you're going to be able to use the API. It's really cheap, so even if you don't have the API credits, the free credits, it's still worth setting up a paid account because it's really cheap compared to any other paid products out there. So in all, this is how to start using the ChatGPT API. I have some other tutorials where I show you how to use the API in Google Sheets, in Google Docs, so you can get the power of ChatGPT in any kind of other products as well.